Hi, I'm Dave Lang from Butcher Magazine, and I'm going to show you how to make chicken stock. Take your chicken carcasses, ask your local butcher, and chop them up, open the bones up, helps the collagen get into the stock. Just for your information, some sections, including this one, are speeded up to make a shorter video. You won't do it this quickly. You'll end up cutting yourself. If you have a cooked chicken carcass left over, or chicken bones, chicken wing bones, use them as well, but it's best to use fresh. Use everything. This stuff costs you nothing, you might as well use it to make your own healthy stock. You might notice that I'm wearing a glove and a bandage. I actually cut myself on the chicken bones. So I'm always warning people to be careful, and off I go. I cut myself, but look, we're human. It happens. Just be careful. Sharp knives, sharp bones, be careful. People have sent in messages asking me about the knife. The knife is called an Ajax Red Spirit, made by Friedrich Dick, which is a German company. I was given it at the World Butcher Challenge in Sacramento last year. Fabulous knife, really nice bit of weight, very sharp, very good. Add in your vegetables, carrots, onions, garlic. You can put other vegetables in, you can put celery in, although I'm not a huge fan of celery. Cover it with water. Add pepper, add salt, but not a lot of salt. You don't really need to have a very salty stock, and shop bought stock tends to be very salty, so just be careful. Put your pot on the hob, bring it to a boil and simmer for 3 hours. This is actually 3.5 hours later. So what you're going to do now is you're going to strain all the solids out of the stock. So use a colander to start. So on the second phase of straining, you will pour it through a sieve. All the heavy solids are gone. This will pick up some of the smaller particles for you. You can see it at the bottom of the sieve. We're going to run through the sieve just to make sure you get everything out. And then get some muslin cloth, put it into the sieve, pour the stock through, and that will take pretty well everything out. You get a lovely clear stock with no particles in it. This is a neat little trick. Get some ice cube bags, the ones that look like little discs. With funnel, pour your stock in, and when you're done, freeze it. So when you need stock, you can take out 1 or 2 or 10 or all, but you don't have to defrost a pint of stock to get a couple of pieces. This is your stock after a night in the freezer. As I said, you can take out 1 or 2 or 10, whatever works for you. Happy cooking.